We're getting our Betty Crocker on this 4th of July.
We are making some red, white, and boozy cupcakes.
These red, white, and boozy cupcakes are red velvet with cream cheese frosting and a red velvet Bailey's infused filling.
So the first step for these cupcakes is baking them. A red velvet box mix roughly makes around 60 cupcakes. We used 54 cupcakes to fill our 18 by 12 inch tray.
We bake these for 10 minutes at 350 degrees. We're gonna set them aside and let them cool for 15 minutes. And while they're cooling, we're gonna get to the good stuff. The Bailey's infused cream cheese filling. The most important part.
The main event, okay? It's right now, it's happening.
The main ingredient in our cupcake filling is red velvet Bailey's. We ready for 4th of July, baby.
Let's go. Bailey's red velvet. This filling calls for 2 ingredients, 1 container of cream cheese frosting, and 1 cup of red velvet Bailey's.
We're going to be using a bar spoon to dig out the holes in our cupcakes for the filling.
Once you have gutted all of your cupcakes, you may eat the inside of them. So good.
Next, we're gonna fill these babies up. There's a million tools that you can find on Amazon that may make this next part easier for you, but since I'm a bartender, I'm gonna pour these up like shots.
Now we're gonna be frosting our cupcakes and we're gonna start off with our white stripes.
Now we're going to be frosting the red stripes and the blue patch, so we're going to be adding food coloring to our cream cheese frosting.
Yeah, I need more.
It's like the whole little diet thing.
I know.
I don't even know how many drops. I wasn't keeping track.
I want it to be this red. I want it to be this red right here. It's pink. It's okay, I guess, because I tried.
Close enough.
I tried really hard.
We're gonna be putting red sprinkles on top. You're not even gonna tell.
Yeah.
It's gonna look great.
Okay.
And last, we're gonna cover the whole thing with sprinkles. We did that. If you make these boozy cupcakes, be sure to comment below and let us know how it goes.
Also, like and subscribe. Have a happy and safe 4th of July. Cheers.
Woo, 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 woo. Ow! Oh, yours doesn't want to die. Ah!
This is the 4th time we've done this.
Shut it in my face.
Bailey's red velvet.